In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import Trello cards from CSV file. To import Trello cards from a CSV file, the process has become more intuitive thanks to third-party integrations and built-in support via Trello's automation and power-up ecosystem. While Trello doesn't natively support direct CSV imports on all plans, you can still bring your CSV data in efficiently using a few proven methods. First, prepare your CSV file to match Trello's format expectations. Your column should clearly define fields like card name or title, description, due date, labels, and optionally list name to specify where each card should land. Once your CSV file is ready, head over to your Trello board and ensure that you have the appropriate permissions to make changes. If you're using Trello's business class or higher, you can make use of built-in automation and some integrations like Trello's Butler or available power-ups. One of the easiest methods is using the Import CSV by Trello PowerUp or a reliable third-party option like Placker, Zapier, or TrelloImporter.com. Once you activate the PowerUp on your board, it will provide a straightforward upload interface. Upload your CSV file, map the columns to Trello card fields such as name, description, due date, and hit import. The system will automatically create cards based on your file content and place them into the list you specified. If you're using Zapier, you can create a Zap that watches for a new row in a Google Sheet after converting your CSV and then creates a Trello card based on that row's content. This is especially useful for recurring imports or automated workflows. For users comfortable with coding, Trello's API also allows you to build a script that parses a CSV and pushes the data to your board programmatically. This is ideal for large-scale operations or highly customized imports. After importing, review your board to make sure all cards appear as expected. You might need to tweak label names or list names to match your existing board structure. Always keep a backup of your original CSV and test with a few rows first if it's your first time. Importing cards from CSV into Trello can save hours of manual entry and ensures consistent data handling, especially helpful for managing project pipelines, content calendars, or to-do lists across teams. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.